And now to the latest trouble.
Latest now on Lindsay Lohan. She's been arrested for hitting a pedestrian with a car and
Arrested outside of this New York nightclub early Wednesday morning. Police charged her with leaving the scene of an accident and caused injury. However, insiders say this incident appears to be minor.
Lindsay, ready to go? Give me 5.
Scandals to success. The glow up blueprint, transformation decoded. Lindsay Lohan. Michelle accomplished. She is the queen of comebacks, from childhood stardom to the tabloid scandals. And now to this glow up we can't stop talking about. How'd she do it? But most importantly, how can you create your own transformation? Let's break it all down because your glow up is waiting to.
I'm scared, I'll admit it. But I'm excited too.
Let's be real. Lindsay went through it all. The scandals, the chaos, the mean girls in the media tearing her down. But here's what makes her comeback inspiring. She didn't let her past become her whole story. We've all had messy chapters, right? I don't know about you, but I did. But the key to a glow up is knowing that your mistakes, your setbacks, they're not who you are. They're just things that happened. Lindsay chose to heal, to grow, to rewrite her narrative. That's one step away for anyone looking to transform their life. Let's talk about why we love Lindsay in the first place. Her talent. She could light up the screen like no one else. Even when she hit rock bottom, her gifts don't disappear. They just needed nurturing. And that's the same for every one of us. We each have our own, our core, and that's our power. If you're feeling lost or stuck, here's your reminder. Your talents and gifts are still there, or maybe some you have yet to discover. Sometimes you just need to either dust them off and let them shine, or like I always say, get to know yourself. Try new things. Find the things that give you excitement and spark and joy. Glow ups don't always happen by accident. You think Lindsay just woke up suddenly new and glowing? No, she had to plan it. She had to make choices and decide whether she'd get that beauty treatment, whether she'd change her color or find her color palette or find the dresses or the clothes that suit her. Think about it. She probably set intentional goals for her health, her career, and her mindset. Maybe worked on her fitness, her inner peace, and her relationships with others and herself. That's what it takes. A little strategy, a little patience, and a lot of self-love. Lindsay didn't do this alone. She worked with great teams, companies, brands, surrounded herself with people who believed in her and who could really help her. And let's be honest, your environment, your energy, all these will affect your glow up. If your environment is toxic, people are weighing you down, pulling you down, not cheering for you, not happy for you, you need to reevaluate your circle. Protect your peace, babe. She did, and look at her now. Let's talk investments. Not just money, but time and energy. Lindsay invested in herself. Maybe therapy, coaching, wellness routines, all those services. She prioritized her growth. Glow-ups like hers aren't cheap, but they're worth it. Whether it's taking a course, joining a retreat, or even just committing to better self-care, investing in yourself pays off in ways you can't even imagine. Have you noticed how Lindsay's energy is different now? Softer, more confident, magnetic. That's feminine energy, baby. Feminine energy isn't just about looking pretty. It's about flow, intuition, and stepping into your authenticity. It's about showing up for yourself and trusting your power. Lindsay's glow up is proof that femininity and strength go hand in hand. Here's the ultimate secret to any glow up: self-love. When you love yourself, take care of yourself, you set boundaries, you prioritize your needs, and you let yourself shine unapologetically, that's it. That's where it'll all start. Lindsay's glow isn't just skincare and hair. It's the love and care she's given to herself to heal and thrive. If you're into astrology, Lindsay Lohan is a Cancer sun, like me, but she has an Aries moon. Cancers are all about deep emotions and intuition. We thrive when we feel safe and loved. But her Aries moon, that's her fire, her drive, her comeback energy. This mix explains her journey. She felt deeply, but she also fought fiercely. I love astrology because it can sometimes be empowering when you get to know yourself and you believe that some things are just really written in the stars. It's really empowering. So, what can you learn from Lindsay's glow up? Heal your past, don't let it define you. Lean into your gifts and talents. Plan your glow up with intention. Surround yourself with the right energy. Invest in your growth. Embody your feminine energy and love yourself fiercely. Your glow up is waiting. You just have to take that first step. If you want a step-by-step guide to your glow up journey, check out my offerings in the description. From guidebooks to courses and retreats, I've got everything you need to create your transformation. And don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what's your glow up goal?